Introduction. Imagine this. You're running late for a meeting or trying to catch a flight. In the rush, you quickly change the passcode on your phone for extra security, but a few days later, you can't remember it. Or maybe you've purchased a second-hand Android device only to realize it's locked with a passcode, or even worse, the Google FRP lock is preventing you from using it. Situations like these can be frustrating. Whether you've forgotten your password, bought a used phone that's locked, or maybe your child changed the lock screen without you knowing, getting locked out of your own device is stressful. And in today's world, where we depend so much on our phones, losing access to them can feel like a major setback. Don't worry, there's a solution. With WooTechy iDelock for Android, you can easily unlock your phone and regain full access without any hassle. In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing tool called WooTechy iDelock for Android. If you've ever been locked out of your Android device or need to bypass FRP lock, this software is the solution you need. Let's dive into how WooTechy iDelock works and how it can help you unlock your device in just a few clicks.
The software overview. WooTechy iDelock for Android is an easy-to-use tool that lets you remove screen locks from your Android device. Whether it's a PIN pattern password or fingerprint, iDelock can unlock it. It can even bypass the Google FRP lock, which is a feature that kicks in when your phone is reset without logging out of your Google account. It works with more than 6,000 Android devices, including Samsung, LG, Huawei, and many more, no matter the Android version. Key features. Let's take a look at the key features of WooTechy iDelock for Android. 1. Unlock all types of Android screen locks. It can remove various types of locks such as PIN, pattern, password, and even fingerprint. 2. Bypass Google FRP lock. If you reset your phone and are stuck at the Google FRP screen, this tool will help you bypass that without needing the original account details. 3. Supports 6,000 plus devices. It's compatible with a wide range of Android brands like Samsung, LG, Huawei, and more. 4. Works on the latest Android versions. No matter how new your phone is, iDelock has got you covered. 5. User-friendly and safe. The software is designed for non-technical users with a simple interface, and it ensures no data loss on most devices. Step-by-step guide. Now, let's go through the steps to unlock your Android device using WooTechy iDelock for Android. Step 1. Go to the official WooTechy website and download iDelock for Android. Once the download is complete, install the software on your Windows computer. Step 2. Connect your Android device to your PC using a USB cable. Once connected, launch iDelock. Step 3. On the main screen, you'll see two options: Remove Screen Lock and Bypass Google FRP. Choose Remove Screen Lock if you're locked out of your device. Step 4. Select your device model and follow the on-screen instructions. iDelock will automatically detect your device and begin unlocking it. Step 5. Within a few minutes, the screen lock will be removed and you'll regain access to your device. If you're dealing with Google FRP lock, select the Bypass FRP option, and it will guide you through the process in a few simple steps. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and within minutes, your device is unlocked. You can also bypass the Google FRP lock in a similar way by selecting the appropriate option. It's really that simple. A conclusion? And that's it. WooTechy iDelock for Android makes unlocking your Android device super simple and stress-free. Whether you've forgotten your screen lock or need to bypass Google FRP, this tool can help. If you're interested, check out the links in the description for a free trial or to purchase the software. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.